Hello and welcome back to Make Money Online. If this is your first time on the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Don't forget, you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description for daily signals and a community of like-minded traders and investors. And now you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular investment goals, and we have a special offer for our first 100 members. Only $9.99 for VIP access on Discord, which gives you exclusive benefits far beyond the free features. Be sure to check it out via the links in the description and also in the pinned comment. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Today we'll be looking at some exciting updates from this guy, 22savage22. He's quite a handful with all of these conspiracy theories he has going on. It says here, how many people is Elon following? Eyes on June 10th. And you guys can see right here in the circle, it says 106 following, 106, 610, June 10th. Eyes on the prize, people. Next up, it says a few days ago, Elon Musk shared a SpaceX crew video. This video was a message from the elite. The crew mentions 45 days and has a hidden 5 and 1 in the background. It appears to be a hidden message about 5-1 and 5-4, 45 days from this video, June 9th and 10th. In other news, XRP is on the verge of significant highs. A massive bull rally is expected of the price of XRP. At present, XRP's price seems to be holding well above the most crucial support level. For as long as XRP remains trading at around the 90 to 95 cents margin, its price is prone to massive rebound to the upside, any moment now. Within that tweet is another that specifies, all year I've shown you that the elite use the 93 energy frequency for destruction. 43 is connected to 93, D equals 4, C equals 3. Now think about the things you see with those initials in the world news. P.S. Bitcoin's death cross is coming. Hashtag Matrix. And on and on. It says Bitcoin barrels into death cross as a backdrop darkens. Once again, we have another conspiracy theorist in 22savage22. And of course, we've had quite some interesting cipher message videos, like the one with Elon Musk and the much wow tweet, with the Gematria website and all of that. Once again, we have yet another grandmaster in these games. A surreptitious fellow with juicy elbow-gripping insights into what the hashtag elites are all about. Just a while ago, 225 bitcoins were removed from several exchanges, and apparently the most significant pullout since the beginning of the year. And 22savage22 goes forth to indicate on here that 22,500 bitcoin were removed from exchanges yesterday. Interesting amount. May 22nd, 22.5 is a day that has 223 days remaining in the year. This number is once again connected to Bitcoin and Skull and Bones hashtag Matrix. And on the images attached to this tweet, it says the elite will wait to use the natural matrix energy of the date to make a big move event connected with Bitcoin. I've told you this many times. B equals 2, T equals 20, C equals 3. 223. Arrow backwards, Skulls and Bones. Today is March 22nd, 22.3. Bitcoin just dumped today, hashtag Matrix. And just right there on the down right corner, it reads, Ripple just wired 408 million XRP. Once again, the 48th prime number is 224, a number connected to Bitcoin and Skulls and Bones. Interesting timing. Another tweet from this guy says the elite used the 93 for destruction coincidence. XRP's price was at 93 cents before the crash. Once again, I'm showing you the reality you never knew existed. Hashtag Matrix. It says here in one of those images, life plus significant events happen when the same created number energy lines up together. Think of a slot machine. The elite know this and use it to their advantage. The problem with 99% of people I see who talk about numbers and gematria is their perspective. They are convinced that the elites are controlling virtually everything. This is false. We live inside a matrix. Life happens by the numbers. Elites are just hacking the system. Heading on over to XRP, a head and shoulders pattern remains apparent in the 7-day chart, indicating an incoming rally to the $5.50 price margin. As of the time of recording, XRP looks like it's poised to enter a rally, more significant than the previous and ranging between the 600 to 1,000% increase to the upside, engendering new all-time highs. In the following session, we'll be analyzing where the price of XRP could be headed next, as it seems to be holding well above a pivotal support level that could transition it into yet more extraordinary highs. According to expert predictions, it looks like we will come down to what's known as the demand zone. This assumption predates as far back as the high from November 24th to about 77 cents. Around the legal uncertainty area, and there, that goes down to the January low. It looks like there's going to be another test right after we break down from the flag there. There's this formation of a cloud resistance going on down there. So coming back down into this 80-cent area, which is precisely where XRP is right now, and a little bit deeper, on the 4-hour charts, almost a given at this, I still struggle with the idea that we're going to see the prices go down below that threshold. I think a low at that point is where you'll see support come in, and then we'll see a bottom. The pink section represents the 200-day simple moving average. If you call this a bear flag, taking the distance and going way down to, let's say, 40 to 45 cents, that seems a bit extreme. But once again, as we can see here, we have the development here, which is not volume at this point, which is consistent. And that's what made the rebound a corrective one. Whenever we have a lack of book, I'm talking about a corrective balance that tells that more weakness was probably looming around the corner. We get that. 2 days ago, we had a bearish day. Bitcoin dipped to as low as $31,000, which is never a good thing to see, particularly in developing a downtrend. The 29th and 30th low are essential for traders who delve right in, seeing that they could essentially test this area with a pilot buy at 80 cents. Looking at the 4-hour chart, we could see a potential ascending triangle already on the breakout. However, due to the relative strength index, we could create a timeline and have a potential target of like 30%. We have the breakout right there. We had it retesting those lower lows, which is always lovely to see. Next up, we had a potential 33% downswing from that critical area, which brings us down to 64 or thereabout. I firmly believe that Ripple XRP could come and retest these lows, or better still, make a lower low than 65 cents. Other than that, from a long-term perspective, I do see the whales, those XRP holders holding between 1 to 10 million coins. They seem to be buying the dip. So let's talk about some thoughts and perspectives of what we've heard for a little while now. From all indications I've drawn from my analysis with XRP, we watched this level here about 77 cents, which was the top of these two resistances. A resistance level which we have been on the lookout for a while now. Up here, we have one of such at about $1.18, and then we had this level here at around 92.5 cents. Now, these are essentially the three levels. This was the first resistance that we'd broken out of, a resistance of which sets the stage once we break out, which would then entail the parabolic moves we hope to come and transcend us to over 600% gains to the upside. So looking at the two resistance levels I laid out for us, we were watching these levels, and at the time, the price was clear up, as it was barely starting to retrace. Following the last resistance structure that we see right here, we will hold support above that resistance level if the bulls were bullish about this. However, if we are to go into an extended correction, we'll have to target 92.5 cents, and that is pretty much exactly what we had done. We came down where we weren't able to hold support above this level, but we did for a short period. We came a bit down, bounced back up, came down yet again, touched the support line, and bounced back up for the umpteenth time. We couldn't close above it, there was too much sell-side pressure back then. Bitcoin corrected, and that's why we did see XRP ending up coming down even lower. And then we came down to the second area, which was around 92.5 cents. So far, we've whipped off of that nicely, as we're getting some excellent buyers stepping back into the market. It's going to be a slow but steady ride for this asset, but honestly, I think these holds on XRP could be the biggest reasons why the market breakout just a few days back, a few days after the much-anticipated June 10th date. It wasn't long ago since we saw the rally to the upside before the recent downtrend. However, enough time for anyone looking to get into investing in this intriguing digital asset. No surprise, the experts are expecting the price of XRP to hit $5.50 in the aftermath of a critical rebound. What we have right now in the markets typically is a result of the ups and downs, the panic, and all of that. But because of this tax season, whereas the sell-off could also mean that people were taking taxes in general, taking a little bit of the profit off the top, XRP against Bitcoin could be up 50 times and above in the near term, as I believe this is the biggest alt season we will ever see in the entire crypto sphere. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like on it, hitting that subscribe button, and turning on post notifications. Don't forget you can also support us on Patreon and join our free Discord group as well. Links are in the description. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section, and we'll see you next time.
Hollywood Carson.